video is here to help you to understand how Happyforce works, how it works from the viewpoint of administrators of the account, as well as the viewpoint of employees using the platform. Before we get into the technical aspects of the video and how to actually execute questions, comments, and retrieving feedback, we need to understand why Happyforce. The starting point is that employees talk about important things about your company, but you as a manager or administrator don't have access to these conversations as they're kept private between employees. So communication between employees and the company is essentially broken. In the workplace, issues arise every day, and employee surveys only provide a partial and static picture of what's going on. They're costly to prepare, to answer, and to process. The lack of communication and misunderstanding lead to employee disengagement, lower productivity, and higher turnover. With an honest and transparent platform like Happyforce, one can actually initiate these conversations with employees. With anonymous feedback tools and the combination of poll surveys, Happyforce bases itself on active listening instead of making employees respond to close-ended questions on questionnaires and taking the daily pulse of how they are doing. Now let's have a look at how employees use the platform. After having downloaded the application to my phone, I'm going to have to insert the activation code that I received to my email. Then all we have to do is choose the department and the role that suits us best for our company, and then we're ready to start participating. The core of the application is to ask employees open-ended questions, by which employees in an active manner can leave their opinion. The fundamental situation is to understand how employees experience and live the day-to-day life within our organization. Apart from these smiley faces and moods, employees can also leave comments, and these comments can come in the form of 4 different categories. These come in the form of general information of the company, an appreciation post to teams and people, ideas as suggestions, an idea to express that something is wrong, or you can leave your comment for later. For example, a gratitude post would look something like this. Within Happyforce, transparency is crucial. Therefore, as an employee participates, it has access to all the data created within the organization, quantitative and qualitative data from the comments. However, this does not apply to private questions that have been sent to a private channel directly to the administrators. Additionally, employees can agree or disagree within their colleagues on the platform. This is useful to indicate to managers which themes and topics are of most importance, based on their interaction and number of degrees within the company. Furthermore, employees are able to receive random questions about specific topics the company wants to ask, to be able to process it and receive it in real time. Announcements by which the company will also let us know about important events and actions is also received by the employees. In summary, giving feedback is super easy and allows employees to live the experience in the organization and empowers managers and administrators to have answers in real time.